not just my trainer, she's like my elder sister, and she also beats me, punches me. More comfortable with her is because she knows how much I can take, you know.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a quinoa vegetable roti. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So a super easy recipe. I've taken a mixing bowl. To that I'm adding my quinoa flour. And next I'm going to add my cabbage. Then goes my sesame seeds. Basically I'm going to mix all the ingredients. Some chopped onion, chopped ginger, then I have some green chili, that's optional, chopped carrot, and lastly I have chopped coriander, pink Himalayan salt, and asafoetida, that's hing. So all of it goes into that healthy, nutritious roti. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients well. Once they are nicely mixed, I'm going to have some lukewarm water. So I'm going to use the lukewarm water and make a nice dough out of it. You can also use psyllium husk. I'm not using psyllium husk, but you can use about a tablespoon of psyllium husk if you want to bind the roti really well. And we're going to make two nice doughs out of it. I'm going to set the dough aside for about 5 to 10 minutes before we cook the rotis. You're going to let the mixture set for another 5 to 10 minutes and then we are ready to cook our rotis. First you're going to take a pan and add about half a teaspoon of oil. You can use olive oil or you can use coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can also use desi ghee if you want. So I'm just going to grease the pan slightly. And now coming over to my roti. So I've taken a plate here. In that I'm using a cloth. I've made that cloth slightly wet, so it's a damp cloth now. And I'm going to use my quinoa roti dough, what we have already made. I'm going to use my fingers and going to make a roti. It's super easy with the damp cloth. So you can make thin, nice roti how you wish to. And then once it's done, you're going to flip it over to the pan what you have greased. So I'm going to flip it over to the pan and here goes my roti. So once it's done, we're going to flip it to the other side. So our super healthy and super tasty quinoa vegetable roti is ready. The benefits of the same: it is gluten-free, it has anti-inflammatory benefit, it boosts immunity, and lastly, it improves digestion. So it's a super healthy roti, can be had in your lunch or your dinner, can be combined with a good source of protein like paneer, fish, and chicken. Thank you so much for watching the video. Request you to please hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all the amazing videos we do. We do videos on training, nutrition, amazing, awesome recipes, and transformation programs. Thank you.